Hey y'all, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a bit nostalgic for me. This weekend marked 1 year of me being on YouTube, which is crazy to me. I cannot believe a year has already passed. It has been such a fun ride. There have definitely been bumps along the way, but I have thoroughly enjoyed this so far. I am learning as I go, and I love this. I love y'all, I love the community, and I thought there would be no better way to celebrate this anniversary by doing what I did in my first video. Today I will be reviewing my summer Walmart beauty box. Yeah, I think we're technically in summer now. So this would be a fun, very quick little unboxing. I just wanted to kind of get my feet wet today into filming because I took an unintended, like, month-long hiatus. May was just not it for me. I was not for it. A lot of stuff happened, so I was not able to film, but I am feeling better. I am back at it, and I'm gonna stop rambling and open this up. I have to admit, right off the bat, this sounds pretty disappointing. I feel like a kid at Christmas trying to figure out what's inside the box, but to me it sounds like there are a lot of single-use packets rolling around in there. If y'all have seen my previous Walmart beauty box unboxings, it's been kind of hit and miss. Like, some boxes I will have tons of true travel size items, and it's fantastic because I actually get to use them more than once, and those have been totally worth the $5. And then a few of them have been literally nothing but single use, like those little foil packets. I am only paying $5 for this, but I don't want to pay for basically those little free sample things. I think that's just BS and I don't like it. So, and ooh, I think I see some actual makeup. Okay, so let's blindly reach in here and see what we've got. Ooh, I feel boxes. This is exciting. Okay, first up we have the Salon Perfect Ready Set Go Brow Kit. Holy frijoles, Batman. Okay, so we've got a dual-sided brush, a brow palette with 4 shades, and then a brow grooming pencil. How is it brow grooming? As you can see, you have a little palette with three brown shades, I think, and then a brightener shade so you can highlight your brow bone. Here is the double-sided brush, and then over here on the other side is the brow grooming pencil. I'm gonna have to open that up and see what it is. The pencil cap actually has a sharpener built into it, so that's pretty nifty, but also kind of dangerous. I feel like I'm gonna cut myself with that if I'm not careful. I want to say that this is a wax pencil. Oh, I don't have anything like that. That is very interesting. We've got a pretty standard double-sided brush. It's got the angled brush on the end and the spoolie right here. Then the palette actually comes with a little mirror up top, and then the 2 brown on the bottom, the taupe over there, and then the highlighted color over here. And then it also comes with a little brush as well. I am assuming that you run the wax pencil through your brow and then you put the brow powder on. Now, I appreciate the multiple colors in the palette, which helps make this not truly universal, but a little more universal. The only thing I'm concerned with, though, is that I really do carve out my brows and I try to make a very, very precise shape, so I don't know if you can achieve that with this. This might be good for days where I'm not doing like my whole makeup routine and I just need to, you know, fill in my eyebrows to go to the gym or something. Full-size makeup product. We're already off to a good start. Okay, what's next? It's a lovely single-use packet of the Palmer's Coconut Oil Body Oil. I don't know if I'm ever going to use this. I don't think I've ever used body oil, and I mean, what would you use it for? Dry skin? I have lotion for that? I may have to find some use for this. Yeah, okay, next. Okay, that's a pouch, but there's something in it. What the heck? Botanica Bouquet Dry Shampoo Scent Stick. How do you put dry shampoo on a stick? It's normally in an aerosol can. What? Directions. Shake packet 5 to 10 times before opening. Section thoroughly and swab tip to scalp and roots with extra attention to dirty, odorous, and oily areas. Ew. Massage or run fingers or brush through hair and style as usual. So it's a Q-tip that you rub on your scalp, like where you part your hair, I guess. Girl, I'm just gonna use my dry shampoo in a can. That makes 0 sense. That's just weird. Okay, next up we have purely inspired collagen peptides, grass-fed and pasture-raised vitality blend with biotin. Easy to digest, unflavored dietary supplement. Oh, well that's a first. I got a supplement from them. Directions: mix 1 serving, aka 1 pouch, with 8 ounces of water or beverage of choice and take once daily. 18 grams of protein, oh that's good. 20 grams of collagen peptides, and then it has collagen types 1 and 3 and 18 amino acids. Gluten-free, dairy-free, no sugar added, and non-GMO. So it's like a beauty supplement slash protein powder. This is pretty freaking interesting. I'm currently drinking protein powder after my workouts, but I've never heard of like beauty powders. I'm actually gonna try that. Alright, next up, ooh, a bottle. What is it? What is it? What is it? Hello Anti-Plaque Plus Whitening Fluoride-Free Toothpaste in natural peppermint with tea tree and coconut oil. Travel size toothpaste, I actually always appreciate those because I am frequently out of town for work, so that's good. And then we have, ooh, a face mask. Wait, is it a sheet mask or just a face mask? Charcoal black fiber sheet. Yes! This is from Suei, however you say that. Purifying black charcoal mask. I have gotten multiple Sueis from the Walmart Beauty Box, and I have enjoyed, I think, all of them. And I could never have too many face masks, so that is a win for me as well. And then I feel some paper. Are they coupons? Info card. And info card. And, oh, there's fabric. They sent a bag! Well, would you look at that? It's got the little Walmart star logo or whatever. It feels like burlap, if that makes sense. And it's just a pretty simple little makeup bag. That's awesome. Okay, Walmart Beauty Box has stepped up their game. This was totally worth the $5. There were only a couple of duds, and I am excited about a few of these products. Awesome! Alright y'all, and that is actually it for this video. I know this was very short and not the most exciting thing ever, but I just wanted to gently get back into filming, like I said before. Walmart Beauty Box is still worth the $5 every quarter. If you want to learn more about it, you can check out the link below in the description box. And I love y'all, I've missed y'all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! 1 second, I've got to do my Harry Potter Hogwarts mystery. Don't judge me, there's an event going on and I have a limited amount of time to do it, and I'm gonna get my Patronus, okay? Ooh, my champagne pop is popping, and so is that pimple. Good lord. Let me play with you! Sweet cheese and crackers, what is the secret?